We got some work to do. I've called you here together for this very important meeting because we've got a big project ahead of us, and I need your help.
So I had to get our staff together for a very important project. We had the opportunity, the privilege to participate in the Creative Kids Project with the Herald Palladium. And what that meant is fourth graders from Lincoln Elementary School in St. Joseph and Coloma Intermediate School in Coloma were drawing beautiful advertisements or pictorials of Pier 33. And we had to get our staff together to take a look at all of those so that we could judge for the very best from each class. And those very best ads from each class are going to be published in the Herald Palladium. It was really a lot of fun. We took all of the pictures, all the drawings, we put them up on the wall. We brought the staff together into our conference room and we spent a lot of time diligently analyzing each entry.
No, they didn't.
There's so many different ways we can go with these.
Yeah, there's so many different selections to choose from.
How are we going to choose?
It is an important decision to make.
And in doing that, we judge them for artistic merit, creativity, uniqueness, accuracy, and really bringing the personality of boating to life.
Are you sick of sitting at the couch doing nothing on a warm, sunny day? If you are, come on down to Pier 33 where you can go boating and have family fun.
We have an important decision to make.
Fix it, store it, dock it.
There can only be one.
And when we were done, we had a winner from each class. We did indeed find the very best entry from each of the two classes. Mrs. Cripe's class at Coloma Intermediate and Mrs. Goniwiecha's class at Lincoln Elementary. But we can't announce those winners yet because those are going to be announced in the Herald Palladium in just a few days. But if you'd like to see all of the artwork that those kids did for Pier 33, you can see all of the entries at our open house, Saturday and Sunday, March 16th and 17th. We'll have them all on display. And I gotta tell you, I hope that the kids had as much fun drawing these beautiful pictures for us as we had taking a look at them. Thanks very much to both classes.